This is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty here in Naples. It's a beautiful day here. Look at that sky. I'm just about getting ready to do an open house here. Here's some information on the property. It's a 2.5 acre lot. It's got a 5-bedroom, 4-bath main house. It's got a guest house on the property down here with a separate address. It's listed, that's the address there, 5271 Mahogany Ridge Drive. It's listed at only $152 a square foot. Check out the neighbour. We've got an Irish flag, an American flag. It's a great neighbourhood. Here are some of the grounds. I'm not going to keep you any longer. There's some brilliant trees, great aspects to the property. You have all kinds of citrus. Anyway, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty. Come see me today or send somebody who might be looking for a great property. This is only just a small portion of it. 5271 Mahogany Ridge Drive, LoganWoods, Naples, Florida. Thank you.